Wagwan everyone. Tonight I'm going to be making some curry, lobster, and shrimp. So we got some fresh lobster, we got some fresh shrimp. Today I'm only going to be using two main seasonings. I'm using the Booyah from Reggae Spice. I'm going to be using some pimento berries, as well as all my regular spices. Cooking this on my stovetop today using some cast iron pan. So you can see I got everything there. This is my curry, pepper, onion, garlic, ginger. Can't do curry without the ginger. Scallion, peppers. And yep, that's my pan. And yep, my coconut oil. Curry lobster will be served over some rice. This is ginger. Every time when I make curry, I have to have my ginger. So this process is going to be, I'm going to use coconut milk to make my curry sauce. And what I'm going to do is cook the coconut milk with the seasonings and the herbs until I see the coconut milk starts to make oil. And then I'll know that it's ready. Probably about 20 minutes to make the sauce. And then, shrimp and lobster cook real easy, so that won't take much time to cook. We'll just drop that in at the last minute. Alright, so I'm trying to get some color in my dish. I got the peppers. Carrots, ginger is a really rich flavor. On my channel I have curry shrimp, and it's going to be the same process really, but I just want to show you guys a different way of making lobster, courtesy of Cooking with Kunji. And if you haven't already, make sure you go check out the YouTube channel. You can find it anywhere on my page if you're my friend. Make sure you find me on Instagram if you haven't already. Start to heat my pan. So I'm using a cast iron skillet, and when you're using the cast iron skillet for the curry, that's especially good because you won't get any sticking in the cast iron. And cast iron, because it's heat at such a high temp that your food will cook really quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my ginger and cook that down with the coconut milk and the curry. Some garlic. So I'm going to show you guys a trick that I use with the curry when I'm starting to put my curry with my wet ingredients. We're going to go ahead and add our milk. And that's the coconut milk. That's just 1 can of coconut milk right there. So this is my curry powder that I have in here. And instead of putting the whole thing in there, I'm just gonna make my curry paste right here. And then I infuse it with the coconut. And that's the easiest way to get the curry infused with the milk, so you don't have to deal with clumps. And this I'm gonna add my ginger. It's my chopped ginger. And a few pieces of garlic. You want your curry sauce to be almost done before you add the veggies and your seafood. Right now I'm just going to let that simmer in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and add my allspice so that can cook in with the rest of the seasoning. I'm going to start preparing my rice. Curry sauce is coming. And I'm just going to put my pan to medium heat. So guys, I'm not using Old Bay, not using any seafood seasoning. I'm going to use this spice right here, the Booyah Jamaican seasoning from Reggae Spice. I made a post about these spices last night, and there's also an affiliate link where you can get these spices. I'm now an affiliate with this company, and check it out. I think there's a 10% off discount right now that they're running. This is really good. If you want to have some Jamaican flavor, you really got to check this company out. So now I'm going to drop my veggies in. I got onions, green onions, carrots, peppers, garlic. And guys, this is how I store my thyme. Okay? That's what this is right here. Fresh thyme. Just wrap it in a damp paper towel and store it in a Ziploc bag. It stays fresh for up to a month. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. And this is a half a cup of water. So right now, if you look at my curry sauce and you see that there's a little bit of oil forming on top of the coconut milk, and that's when you know that your sauce is ready. So I don't need any of the cooking heat anymore. I'm just gonna let that lobster and shrimp just steam just with the heat of the pan right now. You know, I initially planned to make this meal for just me and my wife because I didn't think the kids like curry. And I got home and everybody wants to eat lobster. So I had to throw in some shrimp to make it stretch. I'm just basically making sure that my cast iron pan just stays warm. So I have it on the lowest setting that it could go. My rice right now is just steaming. I have curry, shrimp, and lobster. So the ingredients: lobster tails cut up, shrimp deveined with the tail on, and the skin off, of course. I also have onions, green onions, carrots, 2 types of peppers, and garlic. Also have some allspice, and the #1 seasoning that I have is the Booyah Jamaican seasoning from Reggae Spice. Be sure to check out my post from yesterday about my affiliate links for Reggae Spice company. Go check them out. It's definitely great flavors with, you know, no artificial ingredients. Everything on there you can relate to as Jamaican seasonings. So feel free to go check it out. So guys, this is a simple 1 hour dinner. Started cooking a little after 6:30, and if I wasn't filming, dinner would have been served already. So my wife is anxious to taste this. So here we go. Alright guys, so curry lobster with plain white rice.
Hello. Alright, give me some.
Alright, so I have a taster. I have not tasted this once yet.
It's hot. Temperature wise.
What do you think?
It's really good. And you know I don't like curry. It's definitely delicious. You want to be all elegant, huh? You don't want to take the shrimp from my hand?
Oh, no.
It's hot. Good flavor. Delicious.
So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching.
Cheers.
The spice is good. I did not add any hot pepper to this. Evenly spiced. It's just perfect for the mildest of palates. So definitely go and check out that Booyah seasoning. It's a real good all-purpose seasoning for cooking everything, whether it's meat, pork, steak, you know, seafood, chicken, everything. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you for watching. It's dinner time.